Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix installed app not showing on home screen due to the new iOS update. If you install any apps on the iPhone, it does not come directly to the home screen. Installed apps move to the app library. As a result, the apps we installed do not appear on the home screen. Now let's see how to solve this problem. First, go to Settings app. Scroll down and click on home screen. In the first two options, normally app library only is selected. That's why installed apps go directly to app library. From here, select add to home screen. Only then the installed app will come to the home screen. After doing these settings, from now on, any apps installed will not go to the app library. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.